Pompey Paul, welcoming you in another episode of the series Indian Cuisine presented by Swami Vivekananda Culture Center, Bali. Today's episode we are presenting in association with BIFA. I am with Neeta Malhotra Samdashani from BIFA and she is going to demonstrate us today how to make jalebi. Ma'am.
Namaste, welcome. Today I'll be showing you along with my chef Shirin how to prepare the most famous Indian dessert, Indian sweet, which is called jalebi and which has a unique shape that goes around and around. So now we have got flour, which is 250 grams, and we have got besan, which is 50 grams. So we are going to mix these two dough together. You will have to mix this dough with your hands. If you mix it with spoon, you cannot come to know the lumps which are still there. So to get the best result, you need to use your hands. So whatever lumps will come across, you can mash it with your own hands and you will get a perfect result. This will be your final result. It has to be like this. You see, it's so fine, there is no lumps, it falls very nicely. This is how it should be to get a perfect crunchy jalebi. If you don't have a cloth at home, you can use any sauce bottle, the one you use for ketchup or for any kind of dips, with a hole that you can pour with that. So in the meanwhile, while this is resting, we are going to prepare the sugar syrup. So now I'll show you how the sugar syrup is being prepared. The sugar syrup will be needing 1 kilo of sugar, 1 liter of water, 1/4 gram of cardamom, which is already grinded like this, and 5 pieces of this is crushed pistachios, and we will be needing 5 pieces of saffron. This is the one, this is the brand that we are using, and little bit of color just to bring out the beauty. Process. He's putting the color, he's putting the saffron. You have to bring it to a boil until it becomes thick to a certain level. This is how your sugar syrup has to be, not very thin and not very thick. And this is the color that it should be. Once you get this level of thickness in the sugar syrup, we will come back to the process of making the jalebi, frying the jalebi. We'll be pouring the jalebi to the cloth. Your oil has to be hot enough to fry the jalebi. It should not be very hot, but should be hot enough to fry the jalebi properly. Okay, this is how the process of frying the jalebi will be. round, round and round. Your fire has to be medium. It should not be very low, it should not be very high, it should be at medium. So this is how much you need to fry. This is the level it should be. This is the color it should be. It should not be very dark because you will be dipping this in the syrup which already have a color. So it should not go beyond this. So now we are moving it out and dipping it inside the sugar syrup. When you dip the jalebis in the sugar syrup, the fire has to be off. If it is on boiling, if the fire is on, your jalebis will turn out to be very hard. So make sure you off the fire. It should be just hot, not in a boiling state. It should just be hot, and then you dip the jalebi. Leave it for some time and then remove it. You can garnish it with this. If you have people coming over to the house, it will look more beautiful. You see how it looks? Round, round and round. So this is our amazing, yummy, crunchy jalebi. You can try at home and bet that result will be amazing. Would you like to try some?
Thank you. Very nice and crispy.
It is so yummy, so yummy. Thank you, chef, for such an amazing recipe of this jalebi.
Thank
you.
Thank you, Nita from Vipa. She has demonstrated very sweet dish from Indian cuisine. I hope in future also she will demonstrate some another Indian cuisine. Thank you, Nita, and thank you, chef. Namaskar.
Pleasure is all
Next time we will meet you in another Indian cuisine, some tasty snack or any other Indian item. Thank you very much.